Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to actually go and customize your ringtone on sound on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have the spotlights where you can go and check out some videos that are on Snapchat. You have your stories from your friends, your camera, chats, and location. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and customize your ringtone sound on Snapchat. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it, of course. So to do it, you just need to, as I already told you, follow these few steps. So basically, on the chat screen, press the hold on a friend or group. After you have pressed that, tap chat and notification settings. After tapping that, tap notification settings, then go and tap ringtone and choose a sound. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.